Hey, sweetie. Are you doing the floppy show? The floppy bunny show?
The Bugs Bunny show.
Hi. Hi.
Was that issue? Yeah.
That was itchy.
God, she's really got gas.
That's why she paused for a second. Oh, we're gonna show this to your boyfriend someday.
Did you get some?
Oh, get exercise. Legs are exercising.
Hi, sweetie. You're looking at your favorite picture.
How come your feet are lopsided?
Look at that, she's on the bike now. Whee! Darling. Really loves this picture. She's not smiling so much now.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, she's brought it all up actually what she took. Is she? Is Shana? She's going to be serious now. Hee. She was really smiling and talking.